Welcome to your wonderful Wednesday Shave of the Day. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. If you're interested in learning how to straight razor shave and all things straight razor related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then click on the bell next to it to be notified when I upload videos. That way you won't miss a thing. Consider hitting that join button if you want to support the channel and become a member. My one word is heart, and I put my heart into everything I do. And I believe every time you shave with a straight razor, you're getting a better shave. In this shave, I'm using my Thiers Issard. This is number 69, and that is a FrameBack. Oh yeah. So the blade is a different piece of metal than the frame. And this is a smiling blade at that. Now for my soap tonight, here we go. This is Music City Suds, and this is Stand By Your Mandarin. This has just got a fantastic orange scent, and they no longer make it, but it's really good. It is. Now, I have had that blooming just like normal. We're going to pour off that bloom water and put that on as pre-shave. Yep. All right. Yeah, fantastic orange scent on this. Really good. Oh, very nice. Yeah. All right. Now, for my brush tonight, here you go. The Connecticut quarter brush. I made this brush. That is a 22mm Maggard razor synthetic knot. So this is a splash and go. Yes, it is. We're just going to get most of that water out of there. I just squeeze it like that. But we're leaving some water in that brush as well. And we're going to go ahead and load it up. All right. All right. Welcome to the midweek shave, the wonderful Wednesday shave of the day, hump day. Oh, yeah. This is good stuff. It is. And I'm telling you, weekend's right around the corner. Looking forward to that. Yep. So hopefully you are having a good week. Yeah. Feeling good, you're healthy, and in high spirits. Getting some good shaves too. Yep. That is awesome. And look at this. Man, I think we're there. I think we're there already. So I got a little hair on that nose as well. Let's go ahead and clean out around the outside of that bowl like that. Clean up on the inside like that. All right. Yeah. There we go. Put most of that on the brush. The rest goes on the face. Yeah, nice. Yeah, so hopefully you are having a productive week. Things are going well. Yep. Here we go. Look at that. Let's get our lather on. Yeah, fantastic scent on this. I really wish they would continue to make it. They don't make this one either. So that's unfortunate. But it is really good soap. And this little brush can whip up a lather. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Yeah, it is. There we go. Yeah, buddy, that's what I'm talking about right there. Let's get those hands dried off. Don't want wet hands holding a straight razor. All right. Now, this is pass one, and for me primarily, that's going to be with the grain. Let's do this. All right. There we go. Yeah, this being a smiling blade, it really does wonders in those hollows, but you do have to stay on top of it. I like to have that light touch. Yeah, very important. Yeah, smiling blades do really good right in there. There we go. Nice. Get that blade cleaned off. Yeah. Oh yeah. Feeling good. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yep. Now, I'm going to clean off those two bumps. And let's get going on this side. I did switch hands, so you can switch hands and get other parts of your face better. There we go. Yeah, you can get other parts of your face better than you can if you're only using one hand. And, you know, if you start right at the beginning, practicing with two hands, that would be helpful. Then it's not something that you have to kind of relearn. And it's not something you have to work on old habits to correct. Keep in mind though that learning straight razor shaving, you need to find the right time when you have enough time, and you need to go ahead and just take the time. Take the time it takes to shave. Yep. In the beginning, it'll take quite a bit of time. But once you get that down and you get some good muscle memory, oh man, I'm telling you, good stuff. Yep. All right, let's get our lather on. Yep. So, you know, take the time. Learn how to use both hands right from the beginning. No matter what you do, it's going to still take a long time to shave this way in the beginning. So you might as well just start kind of headed off in the right direction and use both hands. Yep. Let me find that. There we go. All right. This is the half pass. And for me, primarily, that's going to be against the grain. Let's do this. Yeah, and it's so important when you're shaving with a straight razor to shave perpendicular to the blade. Don't ever slide it this way. You're getting cut if you do that. So be very careful. I know going across there, it kind of looks like I'm going sideways, but I'm not. I'm going sideways after I lift it off of my skin. Mm-hmm. All right. Now, I'm going to switch hands, get this other side. Just like that. Rotating that handle this way to get this part. Very shallow angle, reaching down, grabbing that jawline, stretching further down. Now when you're stretching, you don't want to overstretch, but just get that skin nice and flat and you'll be in good shape. There we go. Nice. So good. Yeah, it is. Nothing like a good straight razor shave. There we go. No shave in the books. And it felt good. It did. Yep. Now, let's go ahead, get that rinsed off. See how we did. Oh, nice. That's good. Yeah, it is. Good shave. Oh, yeah. Gonna get some of that soap off of there. getting wet again because we are going alum everywhere. This is astringent and antiseptic. It is great if you hit a little bump or two, and tighten those pores, tighten that skin. Really good for that kind of thing. Yeah, nice, 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 nice. And I will just take a little towel, dry that off, just like that. Now, if you can't take alum straight up, go with the cold water rinse, followed by witch hazel. For me, I'm going with the lemon witch hazel. This is lemonade for the face. It is just marvelous. Yeah. And it'll also help get the red out. If you, oh, great smell. Great scent on that. If you get red skin when you shave, it will help work on that as well. There we go. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. And we're going Nivea Cooling Post-Shave Balm. This stuff is great. And we're going to get some of that going. Yeah, also, I've got a very interesting straight razor edge Friday special coming up. So keep your eye out for that. Now we're going to do the matching aftershave as a cologne. Yeah, we are. Get some of that going. Again, fantastic scent on this. Really is. Quite nice. Click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click on this one to see Barber Zones, the series. Have a great shave and a good day, and I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.